In this video, I'll guide you through 12 full body stretch exercises. It's designed to release tension, improve spinal mobility, and boost circulation, helping you feel refreshed and re-energized, especially after long hours of sitting. I created this video after a 20-hour flight, and it made a huge difference in how I felt afterward. Hope it does the same for you. Whether you've been stuck at a desk all day, on a long road trip, or just off a long-haul flight, this stretch session is perfect for resetting your body. Let's go! These special days. Start in a tabletop position with your hands firmly grounded on the mat. Begin drawing intentional, controlled circles with your shoulders, letting the movement originate from your shoulder joints. Focus on fluidity as you warm up your shoulders and switch directions based on what feels best for your body. Next, extend your arms wide into a T-shaped position. We'll move through internal and external rotations here, flipping your palms up toward the sky, then back behind you. As you rotate, exaggerate the movement, aiming to go a little bit deeper each time. Feel your shoulders open up and your chest expand. Keep your core engaged and your movements controlled. Follow my arm position closely. Bring your left hand behind you and use a cup grip to grab the inside of your right elbow pit. Extend your right hand forward as if you're reaching out to shake someone's hand. Then gently tilt your head toward the right side and explore your hand movement here. Slowly sway your hand side to side across your body and experiment pulling it forward and back. And notice how this affects the stretch in your neck and shoulder. This might feel intense, so move mindfully, stay relaxed, and tune into any areas of tightness. Now switch to the other side, bring your right hand behind you and use a cup grip to grab the inside of your left elbow pit. Tilt your head gently to the left and begin exploring movement in your hand and neck. Try swaying your extended hand side to side or shifting it forward and back, and notice how each small adjustment changes the stretch. Stay mindful of any tension and move with intention. Come into a plank position, pressing the floor away with your palms and engaging your core. Draw your left knee toward your chest, keeping your shoulders steady. Then thread your left leg under your right and slowly lower your hips as you open up your chest, extending your right arm up into a fallen triangle. Lift through your hips and feel a full body stretch, lengthening your right side, opening your chest and your shoulders activated. Press firmly into your left foot and right palm to create stability. And each time you move into this, imagine expanding more, lifting your hips higher and reaching your fingertips further, feeling the stretch deepen across your entire body. Now let's switch sides. Reset in a plank, shoulders stacked over your wrists and core engaged. Draw your right knee to your chest, keeping your back straight and your arms strong. Thread your right leg under your left, allowing your hips to lower slightly as you open up your chest. Extend your left arm toward the sky, finding your fallen triangle. Press firmly into your feet and palms, lifting your hips to create space. Exhale as you draw your knee in and inhale as you expand. Come up to standing, feet slightly wider than hip distance apart. Reach one arm overhead and gently stretch to the side. As you bend, sink a little deeper with each breath, reaching further as you visualize, creating space between each rib. Keep your hips steady. Avoid tilting too much so the stretch stays focused on your upper body. Then hinge forward to the center, coming halfway down. Keep your spine long. Avoid rounding your back. Instead, think about tilting your pelvis slightly forward in an anterior pelvic tilt to deepen the stretch in your hamstrings. From a forward fold, grab your right ankle or shin with your left hand and take your right arm and thread it under your left, reaching for your left leg. As you grab hold, begin to twist your upper body toward the sky, spiraling your chest open. Notice how threading your arm through naturally draws your torso closer to your right leg. Embrace this deepening stretch. If your hands can't quite reach, simply mimic the motion and focus on feeling the stretch through your hamstrings, side body, and spine. Over time, your body will soften into this position, allowing for more depth. Now switch to the other side. Grab your left ankle or shin with your right hand. Then thread your left arm under your right, reaching for your right leg. Spiral your chest toward the sky, feeling the stretch expand through your spine and side body. If your hand doesn't reach your leg today, just focus on the motion. Thread your arm through, inch your belly button closer to your thigh, then gently rotate your ribs toward the ceiling. With time, your body will soften into the stretch, allowing for more depth. Step into a right lunge, grounding through your feet and engaging your core. Stack your right knee over your ankle. Bring your hands together and twist to the right, pressing your left elbow firmly against the outside of your right knee. Feel the rotation through your spine as you keep your chest open and your gaze lifted. For a variation, you can open your arms wide, reaching your right hand toward the sky and your left hand toward the ground, or place your right hand behind your lower back to ease into a twist. From here, move into a half fold, hinging at the hips. Begin to explore your hamstrings with gentle floss, shifting between a squat and a half fold. Bend one knee at a time to explore different tensions in the back of your legs. As you move, keep your core engaged and your spine long. Cross your right leg over your left and twist to the right side, feeling the stretch deepen. To intensify, reach your arms further to the right, walking them out with each breath. As you twist, keep your shoulders relaxed, allowing the stretch to expand across your side body and lower back. I hope you're feeling this because I definitely am. Now move into a left lunge, grounding through your feet. Twist your upper body to the left, keeping your spine long and your chest open. Use the outer left knee as leverage to deepen the twist and spiral your upper body even more. Keep your back leg strong and press through your toes for balance. Release into your half fold and coming halfway up and then gently fold again. Bend one leg at a time, focusing on the tension in each hamstring and tuning into what your body needs. As you fold the second time, you'll likely notice it feels a little bit easier to deepen into the stretch. Maybe now you can wrap your arms around your shin, pulling yourself closer into the fold. Cross your left leg over the right and reach over to the left as you fold your belly button to your thighs. Slight anterior pelvic tilt going on here. Reach further and feel the intensity. Come into your left pigeon pose now, and let me show you one of my favorite hip stretches. If this is enough for you, feel free to stay up like this or come down onto your forearms for a deeper release. For a little extra pizzazz in your hip stretch, place your left elbow gently against the sole of your left foot, then twist your upper body to the right. Feel free to gently rock here, moving with your breath and tuning into what feels good for you. Every rock can help you explore what you might need to release your body.
Away at a certain point. They've been coming with demands, they've been making noise. Stuff is problems in a bottle, you ain't having choice. Then deny, can't acknowledge.
Now bring your front leg a little closer to your body and bend your back leg to draw your foot towards you for a gentle quad stretch. As you exhale, draw your foot closer to your body, allowing your quads to relax. Inhale as you gently release, taking your foot slightly further away to feel the stretch deepen.
It's the beginning like Big Bang. Let my can. You're a big man. Let me see you leave everything that you ever known alone with $2, no roof, nothing, not a home. Just a pen and paper and a dream to rock the microphone. Booking my own shows, looking at no. Cause I'll have the wifey at the castle holding it down. Building a crown with medals that I found on the ground. On the block, I'm the best you can find for the pound. My queer rapper, Bush Cole, that Pablo came for the ground. You fake rappers got me bored, I'm a
Place your foot into your elbow pit and if possible, try to bind your hands together behind your back. Twist your upper body outward as you open your chest and shoulders, creating space through your rib cage. If you can't clasp your hands yet, hold a towel or an elastic band between your hands to bridge the gap and work towards the bind. If balance is challenging, try against a wall for support and keep your torso more upright. Gradually, as you continue to practice, work on deepening the twist and moving closer to the bind. Gently release and come into a tabletop position and do some spinal waves. Slowly sink back into a puppy pose by walking your hands forward and dropping your chest toward the ground. Inhale deeply as you puff the back of your ribs, creating space through your spine. Exhale and allow your chest to melt deeper, letting gravity help you release. Now let's move on to the other side, starting with right pigeon. Depending on your flexibility and comfort, either stay on your hands or on your forearms. And if you'd like to deepen the stretch, place your elbow to the sole of your right foot and twist to the left. I hope this feels just as juicy for you as it does for me. Now bring your quads in and out with your breath. Inhale as you gently move your foot away from your body, and exhale as you bring it close to you. Use your breath to relax and release into the quads with each movement. Allow the rhythm of your breath to guide you deeper into the stretch. Place your foot gently into your elbow pit, and if possible, try to bind your hands behind your back. Again, if you can't quite bind yet, use a strap or a towel between your hands to bridge the gap. Once you're in position, focus on twisting your torso and opening your chest toward the sky. Come out of it gently. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up today, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.